G'day, Ryan and Mark. This is the job I was talking about at Queen Street. It's a childcare centre. So I've got some roof sheets at the bottom. It looks like it's reacted with the box gutter. It's touching the bottom of the sheet. It looks like the box gutter, I've flipped up a bit of the rust now. It looks like the box gutter's eaten away just on the top edge as well. So chasing some rough costings to either repair or replace the whole sheath or box gutter. Yeah, there's not a lot of access to the area, so you might want to allow for walking in and up stairs inside. I'll talk to you soon.